Hi guys! Today we'll have a chance to look inside a Corsair RM750 power supply. But first... In case you are interested in more premium version of this power supply, RM750X, I will link my unboxing video at the right top corner. And in general, I would recommend going for RMX series instead of RM, but in case your budget is limited, well, you know. The box itself looks nice, nothing special but not cheap. Straight away you can recognize it's a fully modular power supply. That means you can use only those cables you need for your PC. Also, it's easier to sleeve or buy already sleeved cables and have a better cable management. Let's remove a plastic cover and have a look inside. We have a few things here. Some documentation, a power supply, a bag with a zip ties plus screws, and a box with all the cables. Let's have a look at how many and what kind of cables are included. AC power cord, two 8-pin EPS cables for your hungry CPU, 3 SATA, one 24-pin ATX cable, 3 8-pin PCIe for your graphics card or cards, and one Molex cable. A power supply is packed into some foam material just to keep it safe during a shipping process. Let's point out a key features of this power supply. So, as I mentioned previously, it's a fully modular power supply, so you can plug in only needed cables and have some spare space for a better cable management. Second, zero fan RPM mode. It means power supply's fan will kick in only from 40% or around 300 watts load. 80 plus gold certificate efficiency is a good long-term investment for your pocket. Flat, low-profile cables, again, make it much more easier to hide, bend and make your PC look clean. Another feature, Corsair Link software for monitoring fan speed and power delivery of your computer. Power supply has nothing special from a design side. White RM logos from both sides, open honey cone mesh at the back. But hey, most probably it will be hidden somewhere deep down in your chassis. The power supply comes with 5 years warranty. Thanks for stopping by and checking my unboxing video. Click like if you liked it and see you soon!